Freedom of expression refers to participatory, political rights of seeking, communicating, and imparting ideas and information. In the language of Article 19 of the Universal Declaration of Human Rights, UDHR, everyone has the right to freedom of opinion and expression. This right includes freedom to hold opinions without interference and to seek, receive and impart information and ideas through any media and regardless of frontiers. The right is also recognized by the International Covenant on Civil and Political Rights, ICCPR, Article 19. The European Convention for the Protection of Human Rights and Fundamental Freedoms, Article 10, the American Convention on Human Rights, Article 13, and the African Charter on Human and People's Rights, Article 9. It is also enshrined in most national constitutions. Freedom of expression may conflict with other rights and human rights instruments and acknowledge that there are legitimate limits on its exercise. As the ICCPR states, the right carries with it special duties and responsibilities, Article 19-3. In one of its general comments, the United Nations Human Rights Committee observed that restrictions on freedom of expression must be prescribed by law and in furtherance of specified overriding objectives.